Welcome to Addis Ababa, the new flower of Africa, where ancient history meets modern charm. Whether you're a culture enthusiast, a foodie, or an adventurer, this city has something special for everyone. In today's video, we're taking you on a journey to explore the 7 best places in Addis Ababa that you absolutely cannot miss. From the stunning views at Piassa to the bustling Mercato and the rich history of the National Museum, get ready to fall in love with this incredible city. So, grab your coffee, or should we say Ethiopian buna, sit back, and let's dive into the magic of Addis Ababa. 7. National Palace. The National Palace of Ethiopia, also known as the Jubilee Palace, is a significant historical and cultural landmark located in the heart of Addis Ababa. This grand palace serves as the official residence of the President of Ethiopia and stands as a symbol of the nation's rich history, political evolution, and cultural heritage. The National Palace was originally built during the reign of Emperor Haile Selassie in the 1950s to commemorate his Silver Jubilee, marking 25 years of his rule. The palace was designed with a blend of traditional Ethiopian architectural elements and modern influences, reflecting the country's aspirations during a time of modernization and global engagement. Over the years, it has witnessed many pivotal moments in Ethiopia's history, including political changes, state ceremonies, and diplomatic events. The National Palace is not only a residence, but also a venue for important state functions, including official receptions, diplomatic meetings, and national celebrations. It houses a collection of historical artifacts, gifts from foreign dignitaries, and artworks that reflect Ethiopia's cultural heritage. Visitors can gain insights into the country's political history and its role in African and global affairs through the exhibits and guided tour. The National Palace of Ethiopia stands as a testament to the country's resilience, cultural richness, and political significance. It is a place where history, tradition, and modernity converge, offering visitors a glimpse into Ethiopia's past and present. Whether you are a history enthusiast, a cultural explorer, or simply a curious traveler, a visit to the National Palace is a memorable experience that deepens your understanding of Ethiopia's unique identity. 6. Piassa. The Piassa district in Addis Ababa is a vibrant and culturally rich area that offers visitors a unique glimpse into the heart of Ethiopia's capital. Known for its lively atmosphere, historical significance, and artistic flair, the Piassa district is a must-visit destination for anyone exploring Addis Ababa. Piassa is steeped in history, reflecting the diverse cultural heritage of Ethiopia. One of the most striking features of the Piassa district is its vibrant street art. The walls of buildings are adorned with colorful murals and graffiti, showcasing the talents of local and international artists. Piassa is also home to bustling markets where visitors can find a variety of goods, from traditional Ethiopian crafts to modern fashion. The markets are a great place to pick up souvenirs, such as handwoven textiles, jewelry, and pottery. The district's shops and stalls offer a unique shopping experience, blending traditional Ethiopian culture with contemporary trends. Food lovers will find plenty to enjoy in the Piassa district. The area is known for its diverse culinary scene, offering everything from traditional Ethiopian dishes to international cuisine. Visitors can savor the rich flavors of injera, doro wat, baklava, and kitfo at local restaurants, or explore the district's cafes and bakeries for a taste of freshly brewed Ethiopian coffee and pastries. As the sun sets, the Piassa district comes alive with a vibrant nightlife. The area is home to numerous bars, clubs, and live music venues where visitors can enjoy traditional Ethiopian music, jazz, and contemporary beats. The district's nightlife offers a lively and welcoming atmosphere, making it a popular destination for both locals and tourists. 5. Mercato. Visiting the Mercato district in Addis Ababa, Ethiopia, is an exhilarating and immersive experience that offers a vibrant glimpse into the heart of Ethiopian culture, commerce, and daily life. As one of the largest open-air markets in Africa, Mercato is a bustling hub of activity, where the sights, sounds, and smells create an unforgettable sensory adventure. Mercato, which means market in Italian, is a sprawling district that reflects Addis Ababa's rich history and its role as a melting pot of cultures. The market is divided into various sections, each specializing in different goods, from spices and textiles to electronics and traditional handicrafts. Mercato is the perfect place to find authentic Ethiopian items, such as handwoven fabrics like *kabesha chemis, traditional dresses, intricately carved wooden crosses, and beautifully crafted jewelry. You can also purchase traditional Ethiopian spices, coffee beans, and incense, which are essential to the country's famous coffee ceremonies. The spice section is a feast for the senses, with mounds of vibrant spices like berber, mitmita, and turmeric filling the air with their aromatic scents. Nearby, you'll find stalls selling fresh produce, grains, and traditional Ethiopian foods like injera, a sourdough flatbread, and tej honey wine. Beyond its commercial appeal, Mercato is a cultural experience that offers a window into the daily lives of Addis Ababa's residents. The market is a place where tradition meets modernity, and where the vibrant energy of the city comes alive. Whether you're shopping for souvenirs, sampling local delicacies, or simply soaking in the atmosphere, a visit to Mercato is an essential part of any trip to Addis Ababa. 4. Bole. Bole is one of the most prominent and rapidly developing districts in Addis Ababa. Located in the southeastern part of the city, Bole is known for its modern infrastructure, bustling commercial activity, and its role as a gateway to the city due to its proximity to Bole International Airport, Ethiopia's primary international airport. Bole is home to Addis Ababa Bole International Airport, the largest and busiest airport in Ethiopia. It serves as a major hub for international travel, connecting Ethiopia to destinations across Africa, Europe, Asia, and the Americas. The airport's presence has made Bole a critical area for business, tourism, and transportation. The area is particularly known for its upscale shopping malls, such as the Bole Medhanilam area and the Edna Mall, which cater to both locals and expatriates. The district is also home to many international organizations, embassies, and diplomatic missions, making it a cosmopolitan area with a diverse population. Bole is one of the most developed districts in Addis Ababa, with well-paved roads, modern buildings, and reliable utilities. The district has seen significant investment in recent years, contributing to its reputation as a symbol of Addis Ababa's growth and modernization. 3. National Museum of Ethiopia. The National Museum of Ethiopia, located in the capital city of Addis Ababa, is one of the most significant cultural and historical institutions in the country. Established in 1944, the museum is renowned for its extensive collections that showcase Ethiopia's rich heritage, spanning millions of years of history, from prehistoric times to the modern era. The museum is world famous for housing the fossilized remains of Lucy, known as Dinkinesh in Amharic, a 3.2 million-year-old hominin skeleton discovered in 1974 in the Afar region of Ethiopia. Lucy is one of the most complete and well-preserved early hominin fossils ever found, providing critical insights into human evolution. The museum features artifacts from Ethiopia's ancient civilizations, including the Aksumite Empire, which was one of the most powerful kingdoms of its time. Exhibits include ancient coins, pottery, and stone inscriptions. Prehistoric tools and artifacts from various archaeological sites across Ethiopia are also on display, highlighting the country's long history of human habitation and innovation. The museum showcases the diverse cultures and traditions of Ethiopia's many ethnic groups. Traditional clothing, jewelry, musical instruments, and household items provide a glimpse into the daily lives and customs of the people. Exhibits also explore the religious practices of Ethiopia, including the Ethiopian Orthodox Church, Islam, and indigenous belief systems. The museum also covers Ethiopia's more recent history, including the reign of Emperor Haile Selassie, the Italian occupation, and the country's struggle for independence and modernization. Exhibits include photographs, documents, and personal items belonging to key figures in Ethiopian history. 2. Holy Trinity Cathedral. The Holy Trinity Cathedral, also known as Haile Selassie in Amharic, is one of the most significant religious and historical landmarks in Addis Ababa, located in the heart of the city. The cathedral serves as the principal Orthodox Church of Ethiopia and is a symbol of the country's rich religious heritage and cultural identity. The Holy Trinity Cathedral was constructed in the early 20th century during the reign of Emperor Haile Selassie, who played a pivotal role in its establishment. It was built to commemorate Ethiopia's liberation from Italian occupation and to honor the Ethiopian patriots who lost their lives during the struggle. The cathedral's exterior features a mix of Byzantine and Neo-Baroque elements, while the interior is adorned with beautiful murals, mosaics, and religious icons that depict biblical scenes and Ethiopian saints. The cathedral is a center for major religious ceremonies and festivals, including Timkat Epiphany and Meskel, the Finding of the True Cross. These events draw thousands of worshippers and tourists, showcasing the vibrant traditions and deep-rooted faith of the Ethiopian Orthodox community. The Holy Trinity Cathedral is not only a place of worship, but also a major tourist attraction. Visitors are drawn to its historical significance, architectural beauty, and spiritual atmosphere. The cathedral's museum houses a collection of religious artifacts, manuscripts, and vestments, offering insight into Ethiopia's rich ecclesiastical history. 1. Unity Park. Unity Park is a landmark project that symbolizes the country's rich cultural heritage, unity, and progress. Officially inaugurated in October 2019 by Prime Minister Abiy Ahmed, the park is situated within the grounds of the Grand Palace, a historic site that has served as the seat of power for Ethiopian rulers for over a century. Unity Park is built on a site steeped in history. The Grand Palace, also known as the Imperial Palace, was constructed during the reign of Emperor Menelik II in the late 19th century. It has since been a center of political and cultural significance, housing emperors and leaders who shaped Ethiopia's destiny. The park includes a small zoo housing indigenous animals such as lions, zebras, and antelopes. This section aims to promote wildlife conservation and educate visitors about Ethiopia's unique biodiversity. Throughout the park, visitors can find monuments and sculptures that pay tribute to Ethiopia's history, heroes, and cultural achievements. These installations add an artistic dimension to the park's ambience. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and subscribe to our channel for more travel guides and adventures around the world.